Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA 2.4 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down and tap on the system. Now under on advanced we've got the developer options, and if you cannot find it in your device, then let's find our tutorial how to enable developer options, go through it, and then let's get back to this video. So let's enter the developer options, and now all we have to do is simply find the system UI demo mode. Let's tap on it. And now in order to enable demo mode, just tap on the switcher right here, and right now it is obviously turned on, but if you'd like to show it also, just tap on the switcher right here, and as you can see, even on the status bar we've got the difference. So obviously you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on the switcher, and right now this demo mode is still activated but hidden, and in order to turn it off completely, just tap on the switcher right here. So actually that's all. This is how to enable demo mode in your NOKIA 2.4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.